Hi, I'm Matthew from Robson Jackson, and today I'm in Greenhithe village at this stunning 5-bedroom home. Located on a generous plot, this property offers versatile living and is ready to move straight into. Built in 1840, its early Victorian, late Georgian architecture offers high ceilings, character features throughout, and plenty of appeal. Located on a generous plot with plenty of privacy, the property is nestled away in close proximity of Greenhithe station with direct links to London and in the current catchment location for 2 grammar schools. The current owners have lived here for over 22 years and the previous residents for over 20 years, demonstrating this is a much loved family home which is ready to move straight into. So come in and let's have a little look. So externally, the property also comes with its self-contained detached annex and 4-car garage, not to mention the home office / gym and roof terrace, as you can see over here. The property is not Grade 2 listed, which allows you to have plenty of scope for development and further potential to invest. Thank you for looking at our video, and if you've got any sort of further questions or would like to book a viewing, please give us a call direct.